The first book of the Chronicles, chapter 1. From Adam to Abraham. Adam, Seth, Enosh, Canaan, Mahalalel, Jared, Enoch, Methuselah, Lamech, Noah, Shem, Ham, and Japheth. The sons of Japheth: Gomer, Magog, Madai, Javan, Tubal, Meshech, and Tiras. The sons of Gomer: Ashkenaz, Diphath, and Togarma. The sons of Javan: Elisha, Tarshish, Kittim, and Rodanim. The sons of Ham: Cush, Egypt, Put, and Canaan. The sons of Cush: Seba, Havilah, Sabta, Rama, and Sabtaka. The sons of Rama: Sheba and Dedan. Cush was the father of Nimrod. He began to be a mighty one in the earth. Egypt was the father of Ludim, Anamim, Lehabim, Naphtuhim, Pathrusim, Kasluhim, whence came the Philistines, and Caphtorim. Canaan was the father of Sidon, his firstborn, and Heth, and the Jebusites, the Amorites, the Girgashites, the Hivites, the Architites, the Sinites, the Arvadites, the Simrites, and the Hamathites. The sons of Shem: Elam, Asher, Arpachshad, Lud, Aram, Uz, Hul, Gether, and Meshech. Arpachshad was the father of Shelah, and Shelah was the father of Eber. To Eber were born two sons. The name of the one was Peleg, for in his days the earth was divided. And the name of his brother Joktan. Joktan was the father of Almodad, Shelf, Hasaramveth, Jera, Hadroam, Uzal, Dikla, Ibal, Abimael, Sheba, Ophir, Havilah, and Joab. All these were the sons of Joktan. Shem, Arpachshad, Shelah, Eber, Peleg, Ro, Sherug, Nahor, Terah, Abram, that is Abraham. From Abraham to Jacob. The sons of Abraham: Isaac and Ishmael. These are their genealogies. The firstborn of Ishmael: Naboth and Kedar, Adbeel, Mizpam, Mishma, Doma, Massa, Hadad, Tema, Jether, Naphish, and Ketma. These are the sons of Ishmael. The sons of Keturah: Abram's concubine. She bore Simran, Jokshan, Medan, Midian, Ishbak, and Shua. The sons of Jokshan: Sheba and Dedan. The sons of Midian, Ephah, Epher, Hanok, Abida, and Elda. All these were the descendants of Keturah. Abraham was the father of Isaac. The sons of Isaac, Esau and Israel. The sons of Esau, Eliphaz, Reuel, Jeush, Jalam, and Korah. The sons of Eliphaz, Timan, Omar, Sephi, Gutam, Kenas, Timnah, and Amalek. The sons of Reuel, Nehath, Zahara, Shammah, and Missa. The sons of Seir, Lotan, Shobal, Sibeon, Anna, Dishon, Ezer, and Dishan. The sons of Lotan, Hori, and Homam, and Lothan's sister was Timnah. The sons of Shobal, Alian, Manahath, Ibal, Shephi, and Onam. The sons of Sibeon, Aiah, and Anah. The sons of Anah, Dishon. The sons of Dishon, Hamran, Yeshban, Ithran, and Cheran. The sons of Ezer, Bilhan, Zaban, and Yakhan. The sons of Dishan, Uz, and Aran. These are the kings who reigned in the land of Edom before any king reigned over the Israelites. Bela, the sons of Beon, the name of whose city was Dinhabah. When Bela died, Joab, the son of Serah of Bozrah, reigned in his stead. When Joab died, Husam of the land of the Temanites reigned in his stead. When Husham died, Hadad, the son of Bedad, who defeated Midian in the country of Moab, reigned in his stead. And the name of his city was Avith. When Hadad died, Samlah of Masrekah reigned in his stead. When Samlah died, Shaul of Rehoboth on the Euphrates reigned in his stead. When Shaul died, Baal-Hanan, the son of Akbor, reigned in his stead. When Baal-Hanan died, Hadad reigned in his stead. And the name of his city was Pai. And his wife's name, Mehetabel, the daughter of Matred, the daughter of Misab, and Hadad died. The chiefs of Edom were chiefs Timnah, Aliyah, Yetheth, Oholibamah, Elah, Pinon, Kenas, Teman, Misbar, Magdiel, and Iram. These are the chiefs of Edom. This is the word of the God to us. O Lord, open our hearts that we put into practice that which you have revealed to us.